Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I like to present you the two most important verbs in German. Sein means in English to be. Haben means to have. And as I explained in our last video, we have regular and irregular verbs in German. And unfortunately, those two verbs are irregular. And I use the color red to mark everything irregular. To see my entire course and how I use colors to see grammar, just click on the first link in the description. Let's start with the verb sein. And this verb is super irregular. But since we use it so often, it will soon become second nature. In the first person singular, the conjugation is ich bin. In our example sentence, ich bin Leo, I am Leo, in the corresponding image, the background is red because it is an irregular conjugation. The subject remains green because it is in the nominative case. Next, we have the second person singular, du bist. Du bist Leo. You are Leo. And in the third person singular, we have three different pronouns again. Er ist Leo, he is Leo. Es ist ein Baby, it is a baby. Sie ist Lina, she is Lina. Next, we have the plural. And the first person reads as follows. Wir sind. Wir sind Leo und Lina. We are Leo and Lina. The second person is as follows. Ihr seid. Ihr seid Leo und Lina. You all are Leo and Lina. And the third person plural is Sie sind. Sie sind Leo und Lina. They are Leo and Lina. Please do not forget that in German there's a form of direct speech, and it does not matter whether I am speaking directly to one or more people. It is always the third person plural, and the personal pronoun is always capitalized. Sie sind Leo. You, Formel, are Leo. Sie sind Leo und Lina. You all, formal way, are Leo and Lina. Let's move on to the second most important verb in German, haben, to have. Here it is a bit different because not all forms are irregular. For the first person singular, it remains regular. Ich habe ein Auto. I have a car. That's why our background color is again green, because we conjugate regularly here. The subject is logical green again because it is in the nominative case. And the car is blue because it is the direct object and therefore in the accusative case. There will be more on the topic of nominative, accusative and dative soon in the upcoming videos. The second person singular, on the other hand, is irregular, and therefore the background color in the picture changes again. Here the B disappears and we have the following conjugation. Du hast. Du hast ein Auto. You have a car. The same applies in the third person singular. Er hat ein Auto. He has a car. Es hat ein Auto. It has a car. Sie hat ein Auto. She has a car. The good thing is that the plural is again completely regular. Wir haben ein Auto. We have a car. Ihr habt ein Auto. You all have a car. Sie haben ein Auto. They have a car.
Same for the formal speech. Sie haben ein Auto. You, formal way, have a car. Sie haben ein Auto. You all, formal way, have a car. So now you know the conjugation of the two most important verbs in German. That's all for now. And I look forward to see you again in our next video. And that you don't miss anything, please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and thank you very much for watching.